Hello everyone of Standard 9. In the previous videos, I was discussing about the chapter factorization, and the whole chapter I was categorized in the problems of whole chapter categorized in 5 different type questions. In type 1, factorization by taking out some common factor. In type 2, factorization by grouping. In type 3, factorization by splitting the middle term. In type 4, factorization based on difference of 2 square. Now the last type today I have to discuss, that is factorization based on cubes. For factorization based on cubes, you can see on the screen it is based on the two different formula, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. A cube plus b cube, which you have already learned in previous chapter in expansion, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now see a problem. Factorize a cube plus 27b cube. A is written same, 27b, that is 3b whole cube. So a is a and b is 3b. Now applying the formula a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, a square minus a into b plus b square. So a plus 3b is written same, a square is same. This we have to multiply it, 3ab plus the square of 3, that is 9. So this is the factors of this expression. Now see one more problem. Factorize a cube minus 27. In this type of question, you can see here cube should be there. In between it may be plus and minus, and this side it may be a perfect cube. It may be the perfect cube of constant. It may be perfect cube of non-variable. So it is the perfect cube of 27. It is the perfect cube of 3. So a is here a and b is here 3. Now you can see this side. So applying the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus 3, a square, 3 into a, that is 3, and the square of 3, that is 9. The one more problem you can see here. Factorize a to the power 4 minus 343a. In this question you can see cube is not there, but this number is a perfect cube of 7, and I think a is the common in both the terms. So a we are taking as a common, a cube minus 343. A is same, and a is the cube of a, and 343 cube of 7. Now you can suppose a is a and b is 7. Applying the formula a minus b, a square plus a into b plus b square. A minus 7, a square, 7a, and the square of 7, that is 49. Now see one more problem. That is a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. So try to write in terms of cube. So we can write here cube to the whole square and cube to the whole square, because 3 2 is 6 and 3 2 is 6. And now applying the formula here, the difference of t square, you can suppose a is a cube and b is b cube, that is a plus b and a minus b. Now you can see, now it is again in the formula form, a cube plus b cube for this, and a cube minus b cube this. For a cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now see one more question based on cube. See, factorize a to the power 6 minus 7a cube minus 8. So you can see here we cannot apply here the cube formula directly. You can see, I think you can suppose that this is the it is related to type 3, factorization of trinomials, because 3 terms are there. In this type of questions we can split the middle term. For 7 we are writing 8 minus 1, and 8 1 is 8, and here also 8 1 is 8, a to the power 6. And for 7 we are writing 8 minus 1 and a cube minus 8, a to the power 6 minus 8 a cube minus minus plus a cube into 1, a cube 1 is a cube minus 8. I think a to the power 3 is the cube, a cube is the common term. So a cube is left minus 8. 1 is the common, a cube minus 8. A cube minus 8 and a cube minus 8 is the common term, and a cube plus 1 that is left. And now see this bracket, now it is in the form of cube, because it is the perfect cube of 1 and it is the perfect cube of 2. We can write here a cube plus 1 cube and it a cube minus 2 cube. Now applying the formula a cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square minus a into b plus b square, a minus b, a square, a into b plus b square. So a plus 1, a square minus a 1 is a and the square of 1 is 1, a minus 2, a square, 2 into 2a and the square of 2 that is 4. This is the factors of this. Now see some more problems that are related to cube. Now see, so first we have to make the group here. On making the group, the first two term, in first two term 2 is the common, that is x cube minus 27 x cube. 2 is the common, x cube plus, on dividing this by 2, 27 y cube. In these two terms, first minus sign taken as a common, 4x plus 12y. This 2 is remain same. It is the perfect cube of x and it is the perfect cube of 3y. Minus 4 is the common term and x plus 3y. 4 is the common x, 4 3 is a 12. Now this 2 is written same. Applying here the formula a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b. You can suppose a is x and b is 3y. A plus b, a square minus a into b plus b square. 4 is the common, this term. And I think you can see in this part and in this part, x plus 3y and x plus 3y is again common. So x plus 3y we are taken as a common. This 2 is left and this bracket, x square minus 3xy plus 9y square minus 4. And again 2 is the common, 2 is the common, and this term is same, x square minus 3xy plus 9y, and 2 will be left. So this is the factors of this expression. Now see one more term, factorize 1029 minus 3x cube. You can see here it is the perfect cube of x, but this number is not a perfect cube. If this number is not perfect cube, take some common, because 3 is also there. So 3 we are taking as a common. On taking 3 as a common, here will be left 343. On dividing this by 3, 343 minus x cube. This 3 is same and it is a perfect cube of 7 and it is the perfect cube of x. Now you can suppose this 3 we have to write till answer, and now you can suppose a is 7 and b is x. Now applying the formula a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus a into b plus b square. A minus b is written same, x. Now arranging the term, x square first written, 7 into x, 7x, and the square of 7 that is 49. So some more problem, this type of some more problem is given in your exercise. I think it is given in 7D. So try to complete the exercise 7D, and before completing the exercise 7D, try to finish the solved exams. I think not 7D, I think it is 5D. So, and before the exercise 5D, some examples are there. So first finish the example, then you have to try the exercise. And after finishing this, one more exercise is there, that is 5E. In 5E, that is miscellaneous exercise. That is, you can see there the problems based on all the types. It means type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5. So in all the types, the one type, that is type 3, factorization of trinomials, it means factorization by splitting the middle term, that one is very important. So keep practicing. In next class, I have to discuss some more problem from the exercise 5E. Thank you very much for watching the video.